Le véritable libérateur.
The real liberator is called Jesus.
Shalom, shalom, everyone. Do you have any incurable diseases or genetic? Are you suffering from blockages or experiencing infertility? And do you need a prayer, a particular prayer? Then this is your season of healing, your season of deliverance. Prophet Lumière of Gospel RHEMA VOX invites you to join us for our worship service this Saturday, the 27th of January in Nantes, 14 Boulevard, Winston, Churchill, Nantes, France, from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. It's your season of healing and deliverance. So don't miss it. See you soon.